In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fresh table in Freshsales CRM. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Freshsales website. If you're not already familiar with it, Freshsales CRM is a robust platform designed to help businesses manage their sales processes and maintain their customer relationships efficiently. Once you're on the website, you'll find the login option clearly visible at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on that to navigate to the sign-in page. Next, you'll need to enter your email address to continue the sign-in process. After typing in your email, follow the prompts to securely log into your Freshsales account. Once you're logged in successfully, you should now have access to all of Freshsales' features and dashboards. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface, where you'll find the Contacts section. This is where you'll be working on creating a new table. Click on Contacts, and you'll see a dashboard displaying various contact options and details pertinent to your business. One key feature you'll notice here is the plus icon, which allows you to add a new view. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. It's usually situated prominently for easy access. Following this, an option labeled Add New View will appear. Click on it. This step initiates the process of setting up a new table view, which you can customize according to your specific needs. Once you're in the Add New View section, you'll need to choose your filters to complete your table view. Think of these filters as the criteria that define which information appears in your new table. Depending on your business needs, you might filter by contact status, location, or any other relevant data point. Take your time to carefully select filters that will be most beneficial for your goals. When you're satisfied with your selections, apply the changes by clicking on the Apply button located at the bottom of the page. This will generate the table view reflecting all the preferences you've chosen, and you should now see your custom table displayed on the screen. Finally, to preserve this new view, make sure to save your configuration. Look for the floppy disk icon in your table header. This is your Save button. Click it to store the table view permanently, ensuring you can access it in the future without repeating these steps. And there you have it, a custom table view in Freshsales CRM, set up and saved for your convenience. By following these straightforward steps, you can manipulate and manage your contact information in a way that best serves your business objectives. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!